Hey folks, today I want to tell you a little bit about Quizlet. A lot of people already use Quizlet, I know, around the school, but some people don't really know about it. And I thought it would be a good tool for us to use as we are reviewing for the CRCT. I know in the morning sessions when the kids come in at 8 o'clock, sometimes we get stragglers coming in at 8:15, 8:20, 8:25, 8:30, and they've missed the first half of the lesson. Well, Quizlet might be something good for them to use to get some practice. So I'm going to go ahead and log in because it's one of those things that works best when you log in. And I'm going to log in with my Google account. And here we go. Now I've already got a couple of things going. This is like a dashboard here. One cool thing about Quizlet, you can go straight in and you can just create a set right here. Create a set. They're up here towards the top. Or you can create a class. I already made a class. Here we go. There's my class. It was easy. Just had to click a few buttons and name the class. I don't have any class members, just myself. But you can invite people easily enough by sending an email or by sharing the link with the students. This was probably the best way because you could just pop that link into Edmodo. They could join you. Now let's go back up here to create. There's two choices with Quizlet. You can either search for cards that other people have or create your own if you can't find what you want. I'm going to go with, let's see what we can find on equations because that's one of the big things about 7th grade. Well, here's a couple of different equations quizzes. This one has 25 terms. Let's see what we can do. So it's got things like to solve an equation, you must get the variable along. And then it's got some equations where they have to figure it out. I think this would be great because this year we have focused a little bit on talking through the processes of math. And this is exactly what this set does. It's 25 questions that has some that the students would have to solve, some that they would have to talk through. And so we'd go with this one. Now we're going to hit start here flashcards because that's just standard flashcards. So it looks like a flashcard. To solve an equation you must isolate the variable. Boom. Get the variable alone. Same thing. If they get the card right, they click the star. Actually, that's not right. If they get the card wrong, they'll click the star. There's also different games they can play. They can do the learn game. So they're gonna just go through that, go through the cards, and then put in the answers. And when they get one correct, it's here. When it's incorrect, it's there. There's speller. So they're a term's going to be spoken, and they're going to type it. There's a test. There's scatter, where the terms are just scattered all over the page. And then there's race. Race is kind of cool because the cards are going to start scrolling across the screen with the answers, which may not work so well for this one. And the students have to type in the answer to it there. Like I said, probably not going to work so well for this particular set of cards. This also might be good because there is a free app that works with it. So you can have your students download the app and they can have Quizlet with flashcards in their pocket all the time. So anytime they have downtime with the study sessions or in class, they could use Quizlet to be working on some of their facts.